in order to boost their own exporters. Now, since last around 5 years, 4 to 5 years, the ECAs have started lending directly, and the pioneer for that has been US Exim. They have been lending directly. They are taking the bank out of the equation. Another new solutions which have come up in last 2 years and they are in the infancy stage, they have been done by the Canadian ECA. That is ECA backed bond and ECA wrapped bond. These did not exist 5-6 years earlier, and the ECA as a solution at this moment in the infancy stage of going to the next stage of creativity. Some of the facts I would like to share with you. There has been almost 50 to 60% growth year on since 2010 on ECA backed financing worldwide. 2013 figures are not yet declared, so we are not aware, but they are likely to be much higher. As per the ICC register, presently, at the end of December 2011, $532 billion worth of ECA-backed financing had been done. While I was in Barcelona conference, couple of things which we learned, there was a huge debate between the bankers, very senior bankers, and the ECAs of the world from Holland, from Netherlands, from Belgium, from Brazil, and the debate was that the ECAs are now taking a large chunk of the direct business of the banks. So banks are now scared that they will get out of the equation and the ECAs will start lending directly to corporates. In fact, some of the big banks, financial institutions, have already initiated their ECA divisions. They have started ECA business, seeing the trend, the way the ECA trend is going. Another interesting fact I would like to share with you, the ECA of each country has its own uniqueness because it is designed based on the local exporter manufacturer's need and the country needs. So no two ECA behave the same way. A to B, A to C, they may see A plus, that is how they operate. And they are discussing that if they can create a common platform for all ECA, a global ECA platform, but which looks quite unlikely and the infancy stage of discussion. Can somebody read this for me, please?
The future of ECA. Today, ECA-backed financing is increasingly looked upon as an alternative form of financing used by companies for imports so that they can reserve their borrowing capacity for other capital needs.